chicken white soup, or Ofe Nsala as the Igbos will call it. It's a Nigerian delicacy and it's usually very, very delicious. And a lot of people actually say if you want to stay stronger, if you want to age gracefully, you must be eating this type of soup because it's watery, you're going to drink it, and if you want to eat it with any of the swallow, whether it's fufu, eba, wheat or whatever is left for you, but it's usually very, very energizing. So here today I have chicken. We're going to be using chicken. You can also use fresh fish if you want to use fresh fish, but I'm using chicken. I have here some dry fish I'm going to be using, and I have one seasoning cube. I have some crayfish already cleaned, and I have just few Uziza seeds. This is one seed I love to use because of the flavor it adds to my soups. I have just few land snails I'm going to be using as well. I have stockfish I'm going to be using. I've already soaked it for a few hours. It's quite soft. And usually we use a thickener as for the soup, and today you could use yam, you could use cocoa yam, whatever you want to use as your thickener, but today I'm going to be using oats. You could use Quaker oats. This is just another brand of oats. So that is what I have here. I'm going to be grinding it and I'm going to be using it to thicken my white soup. Remember, it's very energizing. So if you want to stay stronger, if you want to age gracefully, make sure you make this soup and try it. So I already have the chicken. I already have the chicken on fire. So I'm just going to add other things so that everything will boil at the same time. And then I will add one seasoning cube. Salt is always to taste. Then I'll allow it to boil. For this one, I'm not going to use oil. It's white soup, so we don't need any form of oil. And it's not supposed to be very thick. I'm going to make it to be a little runny. That's why it's called Ofe Nsala or Ofe Sarasara. So guys, this has been boiling for some minutes. So I'm going to be adding some dry pepper. I'm adding more because I love it. It's a little spicy. I'm going to be adding the blended crayfish and Uziza seed. Then I'll add water. I'm going to add the oat powder. Quaker. So we're going to be checking the soup. It's been boiling for some time. Yes, this is typical of white soup. Not thick, not too runny. That's the way I like it. And also my husband. That is it. So I'm going to be adding just small Uziza leaf. Yes, you may skip this if you don't like Uziza leaf. This is dry Uziza leaf. This is just dry. This is the quantity I'm going to be adding. You could still prepare it without any leaf at all, and you can still add just Uziza leaf for the flavor. So this soup is good as ready. The soup is ready. Come and join us at the table. Bye.